How to change your phone number on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can change your phone number on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Snapchat application. And once you are inside the Snapchat application, go to your profile section. And from the appeared screen, you can go ahead and click on that gear icon. Once you click on that, scroll down and then select mobile number. So here, in order to change your mobile number, you have to delete your previously added phone number or mobile number. Once you clear your previous phone number, you can only add a new phone number or change the phone number. This is the only working method to change your phone number on Snapchat. Once you change the phone number, you can click on verify and your phone number will be changed on Snapchat. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.